Want to earn extra cash just by typing? It's easier than you think. Many platforms online will pay you for this in-demand skill. Whether you're a fast typer or just looking for a flexible side hustle, there are options out there for you. No need for complex skills or experience, just your typing fingers and a reliable internet connection. Let's explore how you can turn this simple skill into a source of income. Imagine working from home, setting your own hours, and getting paid to type. This dream can be a reality. In this digital age, opportunities for online work are booming, and one of the most accessible options is getting paid for typing jobs. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking for additional income, typing can be your ticket to earning money online. There are numerous platforms offering various typing jobs. Transcription services are popular, where you listen to audio or video files and transcribe them into text. This option is great for those with good listening skills and attention to detail. Freelance writing platforms are another excellent option, connecting you with clients who need written content like articles, website copy, or social media posts. If you enjoy writing and have a knack for creating engaging content, this could be your ideal choice. Data entry is another avenue where your typing skills are highly valued. Companies often need help inputting data into spreadsheets or databases, and this task can be done remotely. Getting started is usually straightforward. Most platforms require you to create a free account and complete a short assessment to gauge your typing speed and accuracy. Don't worry if you're not a speed demon. Many platforms welcome beginners. Once your account is set up, you can browse available jobs and choose those that interest you. Building a strong profile with your skills and experience is key to attracting more clients. Clear communication with clients and delivering high-quality work on time will help you build a positive reputation, leading to more opportunities. Section 4. Earning potential and payment. How much you can earn depends on the platform, the type of work, and your effort. Some platforms pay per hour, while others pay per project or word count. Transcription jobs often pay based on audio or video length, while freelance writing gigs can vary greatly in price depending on the project's scope and the client's budget. Most platforms handle payments securely through popular online payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or direct bank transfers. Payment schedules vary, with some platforms paying weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Section 5. Embrace the flexibility. One of the most appealing aspects of online typing jobs is the flexibility they offer. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection, whether from home, a coffee shop, or even a beach. You're in control of your own schedule, choosing when and how much you want to work. This type of work is ideal for those seeking a flexible side hustle or a way to earn income on their own terms. So, if you're ready to put your typing skills to work, explore the world of online typing jobs today. You'll be amazed at the opportunities waiting for you.